Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be, doing a little something on Galentine's Day. Just want to, gift my friends with the amazing things that I bought because they are amazing. So today's video is just going to revolve around like wrapping gifts and doing something a little artsy fartsy that's like along the themes of Ariana Grande and honoring my best gal pals. Who needs guys? So here with the magic hands, you can see I'm pulling out a pair of scissors. And the scissors are going to help us cut and create all of the magic, amazing Ariana Grande themed gifts for Galentine's Day. I also have some tape here. The tape is going to be used to stick things together, obviously. And now I've also picked out some wrapping paper. This wrapping paper is actually from the dollar store. It's pink and it's like neon themed and holographic. I love holographic and pink things, but also it goes with our 7 rings theme, which is what I thought of for my gal pals. I also have some ribbon here. The ribbon is going to be used to tie up our gifts and to make it look like extra classy, you know what I'm saying? We have these bows here as well, but like really you don't need to use them. It's a little extra. So first we're starting with our wrapping paper or some gifting paper that I have here. This is gifting paper or tissue paper, but it's like holographic. I found this in the dollar store. Again, all these items were found at the dollar store, or you can find them at your dollar store. I'm just showing you guys here some things that I plan to put in the bag for one of my girlfriends. This is like a really cute smell good lotion, and it came in a pink bottle. And then like some feel good stuff like bath salts. Bath salts. I'm not sure what you call these things, but you drop them in the tub and they like dissolve. And a ring, because this theme is 7 rings, so I got a ring for each of my girlfriends for Galentine's Day to let them know that they're appreciated. Also got her this notebook that says positive vibes only. We're only going to go into 2020 with this type of mindset. So I'm pulling out the wrapping paper here, which is the first step. We're just laying it out on my fluffy carpet. We're laying out the wrapping paper, and then we're going to, make sure that our items fit on the wrapping paper. So we need to measure it, and how you do that is you just take your item and you smack it right down in the middle of the wrapping paper, and you'll see how this process unfolds in a second. But I did notice that I left the tag on here, and then when you're gifting things, you don't want to leave the price tag on your gift. It could be an ugly setup, so take that off. So now I'm just folding the paper across, and we're going to use that amazing tape that we bought, and we're going to tape the wrapping paper down to the item that is on the floor. Guys, I'm not the best at describing things, so I totally understand if you would thumbs down this video, but I thought it was a cute idea, so I'm trying to put you guys on game. The struggle is really real, guys. Like, honestly, my family makes fun of me and they say my wrapping is tighter than Fort Knox, but it's true. Like, if I'm wrapping something, you're not getting into it, period. But is it wrong that I have some sort of like sick joy out of seeing people struggle to open my gifts? It's kind of funny. Wrap it up, wrap it up. You got it, you got it. Thumbs up if you know what that reference is from. It's one of my favorite musicians. Make sure it looks cute and pretty. It's not too complicated. Pick your favorite wrapping paper of choice. I obviously stuck with the Ariana Grande theme, but like you could do a Beyonce and do like black and gold, or maybe your favorite celebrity is Katy Perry for Galentine's Day. You could put like fun little lollipops or pick like some whimsical wrapping paper. It's totally up to you guys what image you want to present to your gals for Galentine's Day, but my clique is super girly and like glam and extra, so this is what I chose. The package is wrapped. It's totally wrapped. So now we're going to take the ribbon that we bought. This is also from the dollar store because I love saving money. Also, hashtag relatable brokenness. You can find this ribbon at the dollar store, and we're just measuring it again with the package. So you can take the ribbon and slide it under the package or your gift or whatever. And you want to make sure you have enough ribbon to tie it into a knot in the center and still have some ribbon left on the sides to fold it into a bow. So that's what I just did, and now I'm tying it up, and we're going to repeat the same step on the opposite side of the gift. So we're going to flip it to the side and do it again. Amazing scissors. Part 3. So now I'm taking the scissors and we're just like sliding it upward on the ribbon, and it'll create kind of like a curly effect for the tail ends of the ribbon that's just left out. We want to make sure that the gift looks presentable and cute and all wonderful and extra to present to our amazing friends for Valentine's Day. So, we gotta curl those joints up. And you'll see me do it here a couple of times in case you were wondering. This is just another cute example of a gift that I already wrapped in the color scheme that I went for, because it's 7 rings. It was like pink and purple and gold and shiny and holographic and all super girly. Yeah. So the bag I actually got from, guess where? The dollar store, And now I'm sticking the gifting paper inside the bag. I'm sticking the gifting paper inside the bag, and I wanted the pink to pop after opening the present, kind of like a surprise. So I reversed the gifting paper. Normally, I imagine you would stick the pink side down, but I wanted the pink side to be seen, so I flipped it upward. And that's what it looks like with that paper. And now we're going to stick the holographic one in and repeat the same steps. Hey guys, so now we're gonna go stuff the bag. The bag is getting stuffed with all this wonderful fluff that's holographic and extra tough. My Dr. Seuss tip. Anyway. Ta-da! Ariana, can't forget her. She's the focal point of this gift idea, 7 rings. So I basically went on the dark web and I found pictures of Ariana Grande to place on my gifts. I had picked a different image for each of my friends and like the type of personality, excuse me guys, that I thought each of my friends had. It's like 6 a.m. in the morning when I'm recording this, so like just ignore me. But yeah, I picked a different image to represent each personality of one of my friends based on Ariana Grande. And that is the end of my Valentine's Day wrapping tutorial. So that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching my super quick Valentine's gifting tutorial. I hope you guys, like the video. Thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you want to see more of this content. Thanks so much for watching.